Is your Fiat 500's interior feeling a little tired? This 6-speed shift knob might just be the refresh you didn't know you needed. It promises a luxurious feel and a more comfortable driving experience, and honestly, it delivers on a lot of that. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't just some cheap plastic replacement. The materials, described as PU leather and ABS, feel surprisingly premium. It's got this smooth, dirt-resistant finish that's a breeze to wipe down, which is a huge plus for anyone who's ever battled grime in their car. The biggest selling point for me, though, is the ergonomics. They designed this with driver comfort in mind, and you can feel it. The shape just fits naturally in your hand, making those gear changes feel more precise and less like a chore. It adds a touch of sophistication to the interior that's subtle but definitely noticeable. Installation is supposed to be a breeze, a direct replacement, which is always music to my ears. No complicated instructions or special tools needed, just a quick swap to elevate your driving feel. Now, it's important to note that this is specifically for Fiat 500 models from 2012 to 2018, so make sure your car matches the description and check the pictures carefully before you buy. They mention it's a universal fit, but the part numbers 50,295,075 and 50,293,173 point to a specific application. While the color is shown as pictured, remember that monitor calibration can make things look slightly different in person. Overall, if you're looking to add a touch of luxury and improve the tactile feel of your Fiat 500's gear shifter, this is a solid and surprisingly affordable upgrade. It's a small change that makes a noticeable difference in the daily driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.